You can't just come, and just try and error. It's not try and error. There is a way things work. YouTube does not just push random videos. If you have been posting video and you're not getting views on your YouTube videos, yes, this video is for you because I'm going to be explaining how to post a video and get your desired view. If you have been posting every day, you've been told to be consistent, you've been consistent, you've been told to improve on your quality, you've improved on your quality and you're not still getting your desired result, this video would definitely be of use to you. So thank you so much for tuning in. Welcome to my channel. And this channel I teach people, explain to people, share my experiences on how to grow your YouTube channel. We talk about technology, we talk about AI and how to make money online. If this sounds like what you constantly want to hear, subscribe to the channel, give the video a like, and share with a friend. Thank you. Let's go to the business of the day. You see, we all know that 4,000 watch hour is important on YouTube for monetization, right? Let's assume you've gotten your 1,000 subscribers, but you need 4,000 hours. That is a lot to take in. And to get that 4,000 watch hour, you should have videos that people are watching. People have to be watching your video. If not, you cannot achieve that. It's clearly impossible to get 4,000 hours. Do you know what that means? Without getting people to watch your video. So let me quickly explain something. If you are a new YouTuber, please don't come with the mentality or the mindset of you were on TikTok before, you were on Instagram before now, and all. No, it does not work like that. YouTube is a separate platform and it works differently. The algorithm works differently. So what do you do to now get your 4,000 watch time hours or get people to watch your videos? We're going to be needing quite a number of things. So let me quickly list them. You're going to be needing vidIQ extension. vidIQ extension is for free. And if you don't have it, probably you're using your mobile phone to always watch YouTube videos or do your edit, don't worry, you don't need it. It's not compulsory. vidIQ extension is not compulsory for this video. Another thing you need is ChatGPT, the free version. You don't need to pay for. In fact, everything I'm going to be sharing here is free. You're also going to be needing YouTubetranscript.com. It's a free YouTube platform. Just transcribe. You're going to be needing that. So I haven't gotten all that. Let me now explain how you're going to be doing it. You're going to go to your niche, okay? Go to your niche and look for small creators like you. Look for small creators. When I mean small creators now, creators that are below 25,000 subscribers. Just check their channel. If they are below 25,000 subscribers or below 30,000 subscribers, they are still growing. So go to their channel and look through their videos that have gotten more than 10,000 views. Look into those videos and click on the ones you want to replicate, because you're going to be doing copy and paste. Oh, not that copy and paste, not downloading their videos and uploading your channel. That's what I'm saying. So go there, click on that video, watch their video from the beginning to the end. When you are done watching the video from the beginning to the end, copy the link of that particular video, then go to YouTube transcript, paste it on it, and let it generate everything they said on that video for you. Copy what they said, then take it to ChatGPT. Let ChatGPT summarize that transcript for you so that you can have the key point. Just let ChatGPT summarize the video for me and give me the key point, and it's going to do that for you, as you can see on your screen right now. Now, having done that, you've watched the video, now you have the key point. So now it's time for you to replicate that video in your own words. You understand? In your own words. We're going to be looking at one other thing before I round up this video. So don't skip. This is not the time to go away. Okay? So just stick around. Now you have an idea what you're going to be talking about. You watch the person's video, you watch the person gesture, you watch how the person presented, you watch what is up, you know what the person is talking about. So that is fine. So now it's time to record your video. Record the video and try to edit. Don't overdo this. Don't edit too much. You are a small content creator. You are trying to grow, right? So don't push yourself too much to over edit your videos. Having done that, go back to that channel and look at how the thumbnail was designed. So replicate it. Don't don't do anything extra. Okay? Don't do too much. Just replicate that design and pick the title. Pick the title exactly. Exactly. We are trying to make YouTube recommend your videos. We are trying to put your videos in the face of other persons, right? So we need to, look at somebody that is doing well and learn from them. That's how to grow. So if you do this consistently, do this for at least 5 different videos from different small creators and watch your channel grow. You'll be shocked because on YouTube you must learn to do what works. You can't just come, and just try and error. It's not try and error. There is a way things work. YouTube does not just push random videos, that people are looking for, videos that people are watching. So, and that is not, if that is what you've not been doing, why not hop into this opportunity and have the best time on YouTube? Thank you so much. If you are watching to this point and you've not subscribed to my channel, we are not quarreling, we are not fighting. So give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and see you in my next video up here.